Hello everyone, I'm Robin with Robin's Personalized Gifts. I'm going to give you some new options. Let me get my camera here, sorry about that. I've been working on different price points for some of my customers that don't want to spend a lot for the jumbo. So I took some poster board, I cut it down to 6 by 9 or 6 by 10, excuse me. I made a design out of that size. Now I'm going to be offering these with items in them, or they can take it and put the items in it themselves. So I have my print here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place it on the poster board. Now this is the vinyl, the glossy sticker, which I don't think I have it on straight, but what I will have to do is trim my card a little on this side. But I have a little circle here, and the reason for that is I want to be able to put one of the domes on here. Now I'll have links in the description to all of these. So I'm trying to figure out what we can stick in here so we have an idea of what will fit. Now, if you're a teacher, this would be an awesome size for your students. Get some Hostess Ding Dongs from Sam's Club. They'll fit in there. Some Oreos. So not a whole lot fits in the dome, but you could put loose candy in there or whatever. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put that in there, but I'm going to show you, I had these heart candy bracelets that I got from Amazon. They would fit nice in there too. Heck, you could even have a guy getting engaged and use this for that. Now I have this double-sided adhesive roller that I use for my chip bags. So let me find one. And I thought what we do is, I thought this came with vinyl. Let's see if I can get it going. It's towards the end, that's why it's not working. Alright, let's get another one. Top pops off, and then you can just roll your adhesive right out. So I'm going to put, and it's not sticking to this, so we're going to have to go to Plan B. And Plan B will be to glue it in place. Like I said, I know they came with stickers to put around here, but I think what we'll use, we'll just use a little bit of Loctite gel super glue to put that in there. Now the nice thing about these is the size. Come on now. Okay, to puncture nozzle. There. You had to twist it. Only when you're recording do you have these issues. What the heck? I guess we had to twist it all the way over. Yep, that's what we had to do. And I had a bunch that came out. I'm just putting little droplets on there. Now I am gonna wipe this off because I don't want it sticking to the Oreo. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in place and kind of squeeze it around. I will find the stickers that go around these that came with. So because that's not a whole lot in there, you could actually go ahead and take one of these money holders. And what I did with this on a previous one, and I didn't show doing it, I actually took my curved scissors and just cut off one end of this. Now by end, you can see right through there, I just cut off the rounded part and the top across the top. Now this can get put on the side, and they do come with stickers. I would put a double-sided stick tape sticker down one side, down the other side, and one on the bottom. And then you could either stick money in there, or you could stick bubbles in there, or you could stick also a Tootsie Roll Pop in there. So there's another option for some of my customers. And that is kind of holding. I have this on the glossy photo paper, so you might have to hold it a little, or take one of my little clamps and kind of clamp it in place. It is starting to hold. So that was with the Loctite Super Gel. Now, another one of the groups that I'm on, and I'll find the woman's name and I will put it in the comments because she was just amazing. She found these on Amazon, and these are a card for storing Matchbox or Hot Wheel cars. Like if you're a collector and you don't want the car to get dirty, it will hold the car plus the cardboard that comes with the car. So this is actually, I measured this out. And again, I'll have the links to this in the comments. This little print that I made was 4.5 by 6.5. And I had to trim it a little. All right, so what we're going to do, let me move some of this stuff out of the way. I'm going to take my double-sided adhesive roller that I use for my chip bags. And I'm just going to put some down there. Is it even coming out? Why are these not working? Because maybe they're empty. No, I'm doing it the wrong way. I gotta pull backwards. Still not coming out right. Come on. Oh, this one must be empty. I thought this was empty too. Am I doing it the wrong way? These were working this week, so I don't know what's going on. Let me just pull some out. There we go. Okay, that one's working. So I'm just going down the side with the double-sided adhesive that I use for the chip bags. All right. And then I'm taking this poster board, which is 4.5 by 6, and I'm just putting it inside this container. I thought this was genius to use these. And like I said, I will give the person credit. But see, everything is right on here. No cutting, no nothing. Now let's see how much we can put in this little container. Wrap that up. So, we're going to put a Rice Krispie treat in there. We're going to put a Ding Dong in there, which actually the Ding Dong is pretty hefty. So, maybe we'll kind of put that to the one side. We'll see if we can get a Rice Krispie treat in here. And then we'll see if we can get a candy bracelet in here. Just to see how much it holds. Oh yeah. We can definitely get this in here. So it's just a matter of putting everything in there and closing it shut. Now, if you wanted to, which it's not coming undone. So to me, I can sell this empty or I can sell it full. Now, I think these were, they ended up to be, I'll have all the prices in the description for you because I'm not really sure. So we got a Ding Dong in there, we got a Rice Krispie treat, and we got a candy bracelet. Now we could, if we wanted, we could tape to the outside one of the bubble containers, or we could tape to the outside a Tootsie Roll Pop. And this one is still, this one's holding really good. So on the paper, that Loctite Super Gel glue held really good on here. But I think I'm going to dress it up by just adding that money roll to the side. And what I did for a birthday party that I had, and I used these for the bubbles, I put some of the crinkled paper from the Dollar Tree in there, and it really held this in place. But I think that's a really cute card. So I'm going to price point these, like I said, stuffed or unstuffed. But I wanted to give you some different ideas for making the jumbo, in this case smaller, Valentine cards. This is even cute for dogs. So you could put dog bones in here. I have one of my videos that has the dog ones showing, and they're really easy to do too. All right, thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.